Oregon Web Hosting is like a home where you can keep all your digital belongings such as HTML, images, documents, videos, etc. in a web host. Most of the time, the word web hosting describes the company that rents out its servers to keep your website and supply internet connectivity so that other people can easily access the data on your website. Typically, web hosting services in Bend, Oregon, performs more than to just keep your website. Here are a few added services and functions to look forward to from your hosting provider. Domain registration enables you to acquire and handle domain and hosting from the same provider. Website Builder, an easy-to-use web editing tool to create a website. Email hosting for you to send and receive emails from email@yourdomain.com. Basic technical and CMS support. Here are 4 simple steps that can help you find the perfect web hosting services deliver Bend or for you. 1. Know what you need. What is your plan for your website? The ideal web host can support the systems or building tools that you need in order to produce a website you prefer, and also supply your site with sufficient storage space, speed, and consistency. A few web hosts can provide equipment and infrastructure that concentrates on specific kinds of websites or performance. So make sure that you find the perfect web host company that can provide you with several benefits, and can fulfill your specific needs. 2. Web hosting and builder package deal. Planning to build your website by scratch, or thinking of a website builder such as Squarespace or Wix? Analyze as to whether or not you want your services in a package deal. Combination of web hosting and website builder. There are several web building services that also provide hosting. This lets you create your website and get hosting as part of the package deal. An example of website builders in which also provide web hosting is Wix, Weebly, Squarespace, and many more. Separated web hosting from web builder. You can choose a web host that does not incorporate web building. If you're creating an entire customized website or making use of a particular website builder that does not involve hosting, for example, WordPress. 3. Uptime rates and its reliability. For most entrepreneurs, time means money. Every second that your website is offline can signify numerous loss of profits, harm brand credibility, and failed efficiency. One example is Amazon Web Services outage last 2017, wherein it cost companies an approximated of $150 million during 3 to 4 hours of disrupted service. Most of the best web hosting for small business will ensure a specific amount of uptime and will compensate you for any unexpected interruptions outside the service level contract. Agreements usually vary from 100% to as low as 99%, even though many shared hosting clients will end up completely pleased with the common 99.9% uptime limit. Prominent businesses, on the other hand, might choose to spend a premium for a few additional nines. 4. Protection and 24/7 support. The website's safety and security are mainly based on the administrator's actions and the strength of its password. A website hosting facility, Redmond, Oregon, or any other provider must be able to stand for one of the leading weakness, which is data breaching. More than 40% of websites are jeopardized due to the host's inadequacy, so make sure to search for the providers that feature firewalls, tracking services, and various other security inclusions. Clients are distressed to locate a service provider can provide 24/7 support throughout multiple channels. Whether you have a payments concern or require technical assistance, customer support must be responsive and prepared to support. This crucial aspect of Oregon web hosting is difficult to determine until you are already subscribed for a plan and see yourself the demand for assistance. Contact now for more info.